Pugay at mabuhay. Here I am in the 16th hole in our golf course here in Bristol, Clear Creek, and it is so cold. And the great thing here is no one is here. I only have three more holes to go, and there's no one in the front or back. And this is a great thing when the weather is unpredictable. It's supposed to snow today, but lots of things that you can do. Well, if it is cold, first of all, if you can see me, I have another gloves as well as my left hand. Do some jogging and breathe. Remember to have your fire chakra rolling so that you can warm up. You can even do your punches. Never mind the kicks because somebody may see you here. But you can also take off your gloves and just kind of bring it towards your warm part area of your body to heat it up. Same thing with the other one. And just kind of get moving and breathing. And always focus where you are gonna hit the ball, and so you're not gonna be feeling cold every time. So anyway, warm up, jog, even do some push up, but never mind, let's hit the ball. Here we go. Okay, I will buy that. Get warm and keep playing.